Hey guys, so I did this one completely from scratch. I started over with a point system, just drawing a single point, and then I expanded it. I'm starting on a new platformer is what I'm doing, so I have let's see, what do I really have going on here? Not too much, just some points, and then I send in the time and draw some points. This is pretty much it. I have an update points function, you know. There's a spawn function, or a spawn point that I change with the A or the D key. The mouse controls, I think all I use is the yaw, so I got rid of all the other stuff from the mouse. Copied it over from another program, demo. Excuse me. So we have the background, which is 1 point, and you notice the size of it's 1920, so it's huge, fills the screen. And that is the, let's see, platformer fragment shader. That is the planetary rings that I just came up with the other day, which is awesome. Looks cool. And it's a random color, so it's just like a variation on that color. I have a couple of extra functions like update player. I use that to show like a pointer on the screen. So the player is actually represented by 5 dots. Those dots are at the spawn point, and then they go off in a particular angle depending upon the position of the mouse. See, the yaw there is used. So as the dots go out, they shrink in size. The type is 3, which is the random gems. So it's a little cube that has all the random colors on it. Then let's see. So we've got the update player going. Okay, where else are we at? Wait, up here, init points. Yeah, init points. That's pretty much all we're doing. Let's see where we at. Init points, update player, and then we do the platform across the bottom of the screen. So everything's at negative 8.5 on the Y, which is down here. And then you can layer things on the screen with the Z coordinates, so the background is at 0, and then anything that's positive Z is coming towards you. So then the platform is at 0.5. It's random colors. The size is 100, and there are 20 of them, and that just goes straight across the bottom of the screen. There's only one level, which is kind of cool. And then this is actually not the platform row across the bottom of the screen. This is a bunch of the flowers that spawn from the spawn point. Because the index point, or init point at index, so you throw in an index into the vertices array, and it creates a point at that index. So it uses the spawn point, which we only need the X for the spawn because they are currently spawning at the bottom of the world. Colors random. The size is 50 plus 100 random, so it goes from 50 to 150. The index type is 4 plus 4, so it goes, it's actually 0 to 3, so it's 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that I will show you, 5, 6, and 7. So 4. So it's flower 2, cube color, and you notice there's a 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is, I borrowed the flower function that I made recently, and I added another parameter, and that parameter is called twist type. And so in this case we're just using 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's the first ones here, and I chose the 4 different types. Couldn't get the other type to work. I tried to swap the X and the Y coordinates and try to get it to twist the other way and whatnot. But anyways, so I only used the 4 that worked for me at the moment. So then the angle, let's see, of each one of these is calculated and put into, there's a velocity that's calculated too, and then it's put into the particles stack. And then what else? Update player, and then I created the update player function because I called it in both spots and I just created a function, and so I probably could have named it better, but anyways, it draws the player, which is the, I already showed you that, I think. Okay. So anyways, down to business, here it is. They all spawn initially, And then you can aim the spawn like this direction, that direction, that direction, or there. You can move it with A and D, so you move back and forth. You can move the direction that you spawn the explosion, and it's quite fun. Just to fill the screen with these cute little flowers that are all kinds of different variations and stuff. So one reason that I think that it is so beautiful is because you notice right here that if the color is 0, I use the discard function, which makes them all transparent so the background shows up and you don't get this ugly looking block with the flower in the center of the block. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. And it's a hot day and I have my condo closed off, so I got to go open some doors and air it out in here because I just ate and I'm kind of overheating. So anyways, let's go ahead and sign up for the email. I'm going to get this on the email list here probably just in the next few minutes, and put that out there for people to be able to download and play around with that. So thanks for watching.